Slow and steady wins that race. I'm Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade. Going to show you trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading chat room. And here it is on X. Here we are right at the opening. It was up big and fell right into opening here, and then boom, look at that. And it was doing what we call a bull pullback right to the 8 EMA. If you want to know more about a bull pullback, just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com. And well, before we go to the free chart school, look at this. We got 2 free webinars here. We have several of them over the weekend and early next week. If you'd like to join us in that, one is on how to find the best stocks to trade. Wow, would you like to find those? Well, we have a webinar on that. And if you'd like to find out about how to be in my Grok day trading chat room and how you and give you some of the secrets to winning at day trading, click on that, and again, pick the day and time that you want to do. So let's go ahead now to the chart school here, and it is free. And go right down here to the bull pullback under bullish patterns. And when we click on that, we go to a picture of it. It runs up and it comes back to a line of support. And then the secret here is, though, it's got to start to roll back up to the upside as far as this price action. That's when the odds are in our favor. So let's go ahead and take a look here at some examples of it down here. This is on daily charts when they took off, and this black one here is on a 1-minute day trading chart, which is what I use, and that's what you can do. Now here it is on X. Ran up here, pulled back right to the 8 EMA and the 27 even dollar amount. So I set a trade just up there. If it starts to roll back up, then and only then do I want to take the trade. This was the very first trade of the day for us, and we'll see what happened next. And boom, it popped in here. I'm now long at 27.15, 27.15 cents on X. US Steel. Going to set a stop here. Let's set a stop right down here underneath this 26.95 and that 20 moving average. That's less than 1%. I'm good with that. I always set a stop of 1% or less on my day trades here, so I'm only risking about $100 with our model portfolio. And it just based here for quite a while, right where I entered it. Then it popped up, pulled back again. All right, let's just take our time here. Okay, now it's still basing. Now it's still basing. Oh my! Look at it. It's just going back and forth around that point of entry for me, and then staying above the 27 even dollar amount. So I'm going to move my stop up just a little bit more, following this 50 moving average here. So I've got the 27 even dollar amount to shield me from stopping out. And now the 50 is moving up there to kind of protect my stop as well. I don't have much I only have about a 0.5% or so in this one as far as risk. Boy, boy, oh boy. Look at it, just sitting here, just going sideways, sideways. So I'm going to follow this 50 moving average up. I'm not quite in the money, but I'm just risking a very, very little amount of money at this point. Let's just see if it's going to take off or not. No, nothing. Oh, now it's no boom, new high of day up here. It had a high base breakout. So I'm going to bring my stop break even, zero risk in the trade. I love it when that happens. Now this is going on and on. We're trading several other stocks. Again, this was the very first trade of the day, still going on here. So I'm going to move my stop up. I'm going to follow this 50 moving average. I now have an in the money stop, guaranteed income trade. Now it's not a matter of if I make money, it's a matter of how much I can suck out of this trade here. And it's going up. And now look, when it's in long periods of consolidation like this, look how those moving averages came right together, the 8 EMA and that 20 moving average. And so let's see, is it gonna break out? It does break out here. And so I'm going to bring my stop up, and now I'm going to follow this 20 moving average up here. It's getting a bit long in the tooth. I've been in the trade over an hour here, and it pops up to a new high of day. And let's see what happens after. Bam, look at that. Fell right down below that 20 moving average and stopped me out at 27.53. So let's take a look at this trade. It ran up here at opening, did a bull pullback. It looked like it was going to go for the sky, but it didn't. It just kind of went sideways for a while, and then a little slow cooker here, moving it on its way up here. In fact, we call these not Grok Pot trades, but Grok Pot trades. Get it? I know I'm kind of corny sometimes. This was just the first of about 11 trades that we had in the Grok day trading chat room this morning. See, 1.4% the very first trade, and then it was kind of quiet for quite a while. And then look at this HMNY. We've been trading the snot out of that one this week, and look at that. We had a 1.7 and a 5.5 and a 2.85 and a 2.1. I did have an expense trade on this one at minus 0.5%. That's called cutting your losers short, baby, and letting your winners run. And we had a great day, about 14%. In fact, we had a fabulous week, only a 4-day trading week. And look at this. Here's our results from this week. A net of all of our trades, and at about 47.55% for the week. Whoo, doggies, for 4 days worth of trading, with our model portfolio investing $10,000 per trade and a 1% stop, risking $100 per trade. That would be about $4,700 for the week, trading for 4 days. Not a bad job if you can get it. And you can join us. Just go to there and come to that free webinar, and listed there and freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Until then, this is Mark the Meerkat. Trade well, and may your winner run.